What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best kayak fish finder in 2022. There's a lot of choice for kayak fish finder. Relying on your senses alone will only take you so far as a kayak angler. In our day and age, there's no reason not to use technology to your benefit to help you find and increase your odds of catching fish. There are a lot of must-have kayak fishing accessories that can help you be more successful on the water. But a quality fish finder is definitely going to help you address the biggest conundrum that has vexed fishermen for centuries: locating fish. The problem with choosing a fish finder for your kayak is that there are almost too many high-tech models on the market these days, and some of them may even come at a price that's higher than what you initially paid for your kayak. There's something inherently exciting about close quarters fishing that most anglers can't seem to get enough of. You just never know what you might pull up. You know when to kick things up a notch and take it more seriously. You're tired of catching tiny little fish, and now want to do it for sport. To do this, you would need a foolproof way of knowing where to cast your line. That, dear readers, involves outfitting your boat with the kayak fish finder. That's how you turn it into a mean fish catching beast. smartreviewslab.com. Search smartreviewslab.com before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Garmin Striker 4 GPS Fish Finder. If you're looking for a small yet power kayak fish finder, then the Garmin Striker 4 is just the thing you need. It has a ton of helpful features that makes it the perfect accessory for all your kayak fishing trips. It has a 3.5-inch full-color display that yields exceptionally clear images regardless of the ambient conditions. Its intuitive keypad-style controls make navigation between the different screens a breeze. The Striker 4 uses a chirp-activated transducer that works like a charm to help you quickly identify the location of the fish. It runs on proprietary down-view sonar technology that offers unmatched detail of the marine world beneath the water surface. If you prefer to venture into deep waters, the device has a built-in flasher that comes in handy for illuminating the water and luring fish. You'll particularly like its world-class built-in GPS that helps guide anglers to and from their favorite fishing spots. All in all, this fish finder has some pretty impressive features. It is also reasonably priced, which is perhaps why it enjoys massive popularity among kayakers the world over. Specification and features. Brand: Garmin. Screen size: 3.5 inches. Display type: LCD. Item weight: 0.5 pounds. Reasons to buy. Uses the latest in chirp technology to track the location of schools of fish. Has a built-in GPS for location tracking. Functions optimally at depths of 1,750 feet of freshwater and 830 feet of saltwater. Reasons to avoid. Some people find the screen size small. Number 2. Humminbird Helix 7 Fish Finder. Humminbird is no stranger to the fish finding industry. Their consistent trend in innovation centers on finding ways to improve the precision of their transducers. The Humminbird Helix 7 G3 is the embodiment of just how far their technology has come. It is the perfect balance between price and functionality. It has a 7-inch backlit display that makes it suitable for use in a wide range of conditions, be it rain or shine, or day or night. Although the screen may be small, it supports GPS/fish finder split screen combos to provide you with different types of information simultaneously. The Helix 7 comes with a state-of-the-art transducer that features chirp sonar to transmit frequencies that range anywhere between 140 and 200 kHz. These add a higher level of precision to give you clearer and more accurate readouts. It also has a built-in GPS that lets you know your exact location and superior mapping tools to track your movement to and from various fishing sites. While it may have a slightly higher than usual price point, given all the cutting-edge features it has, it is well worth the investment. Specification and features. Brand: Humminbird. Model name: Helix 7 Chirp MSI GPS G3. Screen size: 7 inches. Display type: color TFT. Item weight: 1 pound. Reasons to buy. Side and down imaging sonar. Fast and responsive features. GPS integrated. Works in freshwater, saltwater, and brackish water. Has tons of features. Reasons to avoid. Some users find the screen small. Number 3. Venturier Portable Fish Finder. As far as prices go, nothing beats the Venturier Portable Fish Finder. It is a great option for beginner anglers, or anyone looking for a basic fish finder, without having to break the bank to do it. It has a small LCD with a modest resolution and adjustable backlight, for use in low visibility conditions, such as in bright sunlight or at night. It also contains one 45-degree sensor beam in the transducer, and runs on 4 AAA batteries that can last for 4 to 5 hours. The package it comes with has a simple rubber float, making it ideal for use on a kayak. You can use it in freshwater and saltwater fishing environments. Without any issues, it provides accurate readings using sonar to detect the location of the fish, as well as the depth of the water. It uses a 200 kHz frequency with a detectable depth finder, range of up to 328 feet below the transducer to do this. The unit is backed by a 2-year warranty. Specification and features. Brand, Venturier. Power source, battery powered. Maximum measuring depth, 328 feet. Color, yellow. Reasons to buy. Low cost. Easy to set up. Easy to use. Reasons to avoid. Does not have as many features as some of the other fish finders around. Number 4. Lowrance Hook 2 Fish Finder. If you're in the market for a fish finder that's specifically designed for kayaks, then you'll like what the Lowrance Hook 2 4X Fish Finder has to offer. It is chock full of fantastic features that are guaranteed to turn your fishing expedition into a walk in the park. Seriously, it'll be like shooting fish in a barrel, pun intended. The Hook 2 4X comes with a superior auto-tuning sonar system that's designed to relay clear and crisp images of the underwater view possible. This means that no manual adjustments are required. When setting up the transducer, it uses a Solar Max display to give you an ultra-wide and clear viewing angle without having to tilt your head or body to do so. Just like the Garmin Striker 4, the Hook 2 also comes with a built-in GPS plotter that allows you to save routes and mark your waypoints so that you can track the movement of your vessel. Its easy-to-use interface makes it one of the most intuitive fish finders on the market today. Specification and features. Brand, Lowrance. Model name, Fish Finders. Screen size, 4.3 inches. Display type, color TFT. Item weight, 4.5 pounds. Reasons to buy. Has GPS and a wide range of mapping options. Highly intuitive user interface. Uses a wide-angle chirp sonar system. Has a bullet skimmer transducer. Reasons to avoid. Doesn't have a sonar rewind or record feature. Number 5. Lowrance Hook Reveal 5-inch. The Lowrance Hook Reveal has many features, such as Genesis Live, that you see offered in more expensive fish finders, but you don't typically see them in this price range. The feature that stands out the most is Genesis Live, which allows you to map the depth contours of your current location if they are not preloaded into your unit. This is great for the small bodies of water that we kayak anglers love to fish. Another excellent feature for kayak anglers is the triple shot transducer. It keeps things simple by only requiring one transducer for 3 different types of sonar. Gone are the days of multiple transducers to get a good idea of what below you, thank goodness. My biggest frustration came from the product page and description because they are a little misleading, so be certain you are buying the unit described in the description when you're purchasing. Specification and features. Brand, Lowrance. Screen size, 5 inches. Item weight, 3.1 pounds. Item dimensions LXWXH, 9.02 by 7.13 by 7.52 inches. Reasons to buy. Max depth of 1,000 feet. Fish reveal technology. 3 screen size options. Include charting and C-map upgrades with Genesis Live. Reasons to avoid. Poor tech support. Complicated features / not user-friendly. Description is misleading. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.